Hi everyone, so in today's video I'm going to share with you what I got for my birthday. My birthday was last week. I got some great items from family members and friends. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into that with you right now. So the first thing that I got was a gift from a friend, and it is from 3 people, and I kind of have an idea of what this is. It has this little dust bag, and you may be able to figure out part of what it might be. And these are super cute. The first one is, well, I don't know if you can see it. Actually, it looks like they taped it in here, but it's a necklace. It's a cool 3-tiered necklace. And I'll probably try to do a cutaway somewhere, either here or here, so you can see what it looks like on. Super cute. I would try to take it off the paper here, but I think I'm just going to cause, it's going to be a big disaster. Maybe not. Here you go. This will actually show you what the necklace looks like. It's 3-tiered. It looks like it's got some turquoise stones and what have you. That is super cute. This will go with a lot, so I really like that. I don't know if I can show you close up. The next item that I have in here is also another necklace, and let me see if I can take this one out for you as well. Don't know if you can see, it kind of has like these different color stones in it with leather braiding. I think this would go great with a lot of items like t-shirts. I like a lot of band shirts. I think that would look really great. So yeah, that was awesome. Super sweet. So that was item number 1. The second item that I received was this PMD Smart Facial Cleansing Device. It's a silicone facial device that you use to clean your face. And I actually had this on, I have an Amazon wish list that I share with my family and friends, and my oldest son picked this up for me, which is super sweet, and I can't wait to start using this, so that's awesome. I appreciate that. The next thing that he got me, my oldest son, and it's a slightly heavy, is the set of kitchen knives. And I've been on the kind of hunt for a set of kitchen knives. I have some Hinkle ones, and I know that they're really hyped up, but to me, they weren't that great. So I saw these on Amazon, and they have nearly 5-star reviews. So I put this on my wish list, and I'm excited to use these. So that is the other item I got from my older son. Whoop, sorry. The next thing that I received was an iPhone, a brand new iPhone, and I got the 13 Pro, and actually I'm filming on it now. So I really can't show it to you, but I'm sure everybody knows what the iPhone looks like. But I got the 13 Pro, so I can try to elevate my videos a little bit, my content, my YouTube content, and also got the MagSafe clear case. So that was pretty awesome. I got this from my hubby. The next thing that I received was a dress, and I got this from a local boutique that we have here where I live, 2 friends, and the dress is super cute. I actually saw it, and they have it in the display window, and I was telling my husband about it. He's like, well, you should go get it and get it for your birthday. And I was going to wear it that night, but I didn't. But I don't know if you can see, it's a tiered dress, all the way down tiered. And I will probably try to do a cutaway for you, and it is by a brand called English Factory, and it says short puff sleeve dress with piping detail. I'm not sure, so there you go. And I got that in a size small, so I will put a cutaway for you right here somewhere, each here, one on the 2 sides, so you can see what that looks like on. Really pretty. I'm excited to wear that, but I did not wear that on the other night. Another item that I received from my younger son is a 3-in-1 iPhone, iWatch, an iPod station, and I had that on my Amazon wish list, and I've been looking for something where I could take all 3 cords down to just 1 cord. And I'll also share this. I'll pop up a picture of that for you here, but I have that already on my bedside. Maybe I'll show you the bedside, the way I have it organized. It's really simple. It's an all-in-one stand. It's a little bit different than what you normally see on Amazon. It's pretty sleek, and it takes a very minimal room. And I was super happy to get that, so I'll share that with you as well. Something from Louis Vuitton, and it is something that I have been contemplating of getting, and it's really a frivolous item, just like a lot of Louis Vuitton items are. I mean, really, do we really need the expensive handbags? Probably not. But I received this item again from my hubby, and it comes like this with the ribbon. And open it up here. I don't know if you guys have any guesses what it might be by the shape. And in here I'm revealing a Louis Vuitton planner. It's the planner, and I think it's called, let me see if the tags are in here. There's the cowhide leather tag is in here. But there was a sticker tag. Oh, here we go. It is well, it doesn't say. The item number is R20100. And I know that these are super hard to get hold of. And I will tell you, I was at the store in Jacksonville, and they had this planner in monogram, very hard to get. But they also had the GM planner in monogram, super hard to get. And they had one of each. And so I did my research on YouTube with the type of planner kind of person that I am, and the pros and cons of each planner, and I probably will do a separate video on that. Maybe I'm showing you the setup, but I decided to go with this planner for multiple different reasons. This one has the card slots. I mean, it has the different flaps here. This one was made in France. Made in France? Yes, made in France. So, and then a pocket back here. I did also get some items to use with my planner. I got the disc binding discs. These are aluminum. I wanted to get aluminum versus plastic. After doing my research, I thought that would go good. They're kind of like a muted gold. I also got from my friend, I got some Louis Vuitton kind of, I'll show you, like a weekly planner type covers. It says keep calm and carry Louis Vuitton, and then another little Louis Vuitton page here, a divider, and then another one here that says daily, which is really cool. Looks like the Stephen Sprouse like design, and then another one here that says style with the floral Speedy on it. So I'm excited to use those. I have that, and then in with this other packet that I got came like a card that you can put in, like a little card book or bookmark, which is kind of cool that you can bookmark your place. And this other little charm, I guess, that you can put in there. So those are cool. Excited to use that. And some other little things that I have from Louis Vuitton. I have, this is a card for my friend. Okay. So let's see what else I have in here. I've thought about using some different little items that I could use. This Louis Vuitton Valentine's card that I have with the little bear on it. Super cute. Other items that I got to go in my planner, and these are from Martha Stewart. These are some bookmark dividers with the divider Discbound insert hole punch, some plain paper notebook filler, some other dividers that I got, and a zip pocket to put some items in. And I also have a Hobonichi planner on order, so I'm going to put that together. I may or may not do a video on that, depending on if you guys are interested in that. So that is what I got from Louis Vuitton. I super love it. It's pretty awesome, and it smells really good. The last thing that I got for my birthday was a card from my husband. I'm not going to share that, but what was in the card, he just kind of printed it out for me, were some tickets to the Lady Gaga, the Chromatica ball. So we're going to be going to that on August the 26th. I am super excited for that. Love Lady Gaga. So that one was a little bit of a shocker. I was like, really wasn't expecting Lady Gaga tickets, but I am not complaining. So that is all that I have in today's video. I will try to link some of the items that I have down below in case you're interested in them, the things that I can. You know, some of the things I won't be able to link, but I'll link what I can. And as always, I appreciate you guys watching my videos. Words can't describe how much I really do appreciate your support in my budding channel. It's slowly growing. But that is all I have for today. Thanks everyone. Be kind.